Hello, my name is Fuzail Khan. In today's video, we are discussing the quadrilateral NCERT problem of 2. The problem is show that the diagonal of square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So first we show that the diagonal of square are equal. So ABCD, this is ABCD is a square. ABCD, ABCD is a square and the diagonal is AC equal to BD. What we have to show that? We have to show that AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. This AC is equal to BD. We have to show that. And what is the property of square? In square, all sides are equal. Let's mean AB equal to CD equal to BC equal to AD. All sides are equal and all angle is 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. In square, all angle is 90 degree. What we have to prove that? We have to show that the diagonal of square are equal. So then we will prove that. So for proving that, we are considering the angle, the triangle DAB and CBA. This triangle DAB and CBA. In the square, we are considering DAB and CBA. Okay, then we write we can write in angle triangle DAB and triangle CBA. Triangle DAB and CBA. In triangle DAB and CBA, first of all we see that DA equal to CB. This DA equal to CB because in the square all sides are equal. Then from this we can write DA equal to CB, and in the bracket for reference we can write equal sides. Okay, and what more similarity in this angle is the angle A equal to angle B, because we earlier seen that in the square all angle is 90 degree. So the angle A and angle B is 90 degree. So from this we can write that angle A is equal to angle B, and reference we write here each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. And what is more similar thing inside these two triangle is, let's check. Let's see. The angle AB and angle AB are common in both triangle DAB and CBA. DAB and CBA. Then we will write AB equal to BA. AB equal to BA. This is the common side. Common sides. So then for this similarity we can say that angle DAB is concurrent to triangle CBA. By CPCT rule, then we write, as you know, by CPCT rule, the side BD equal to AC. The side BD equal to AB. Then we can write that the side BD equal to AB from CPCT rule. BD equal to AB means this BD is a diagonal and AB is the diagonal. Uh, why we write this? Because of the CPCT rule. The angle is concurrent, and by CPCT rule we can say that DA equal to CB, BA equal to AB. From this we can say that BD equal to AB, and in the last we write diagonal of square are equal. Then we can say that diagonal of square are equal. Diagonal of square are equal. And the next question is what they are asking in the next question: bisect each other at right angle. So then we are solving the next question is bisect each other at right angle. Okay, let's consider this side of the rectangle and this side of the rectangle. The name is AD and BC. AD and BC. Okay, and we are writing this diagonal of this side. Okay, and as you know the equilateral triangle means alternate angle. This angle is similar to this angle. Okay, so this in triangle this angle is similar to this angle, and this side is similar to this side. This angle is similar to this angle because of the alternate angle. And what they are asking to prove: bisect each other at right angle. What is mean by bisect? This side is O. Bisect each other means AO equal to CO. What we have to prove? AO equal to CO in similar distance. Diagonal are bisect each other. DO equal to BO. We have to prove that DO equal to BO. The diagonal are bisect each other. Okay, so in triangle we are taking DAO and BCO, DAO and CBO. ADO this angle, ADO, and this angle CBO. We are writing ADO is equal to angle CBO. This angle and this angle, because of the alternate angle. Okay, alternate angle, and the diagonal is DA equal to BC. This DA, the side is DA equal to BC. Because of the square, all sides are equal, as we see earlier. The side is DA equal to BC, equal sides. And another is alternate angle. What are alternate angle? Other than this ADO equal to CBO, the alternate angle is DAO BCO. Then we can write DAO equal to angle BCO. Here we also give the same reference, alternate angle from alternate angle. DAO equal to BCO. This DAO and BCO Okay, so from this similarity, this angle, side angle, so then we can write it by angle side angle rule. By angle side angle rule, the triangle DOA equal to BOC. We can write it the triangle DOA equal to BOC, right? The angle DOA equal to BOC. This angle DOA equal to BOC. Then we can write the triangle DOA is concurrent to BOC. The triangle DOA is concurrent to BOC, means similar. This angle triangle DOA is similar to BOC, and from this we can write that DO equal to BO, DO equal to BO, and AD equal to CO, AO equal to CO, AO equal to CO. By CPCT rule we can write that, because first of all we show that the angle triangle DO is concurrent to BOC. The triangle DO is concurrent to BOC, and from this we can write that DO equal to BO and AO equal to CO. And what is this DO and BO? So this DO equal to BO and AO equal to CO. What we have to show that? We also have to show that the bisect, diagonal are bisect each other. So from this we can say that diagonals are bisect each other. From this we can say that diagonals are bisect each other. Okay, so this is for today videos, and we will see next problem in the next video. That's it for today.